How to fix Messenger not showing active friends. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check your active status on Messenger. To check, open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now tap on the active status option, and if the toggle button next to show when you're active is toggled off, then go ahead and toggle on the button to enable it. Now go back to the chats page and refresh it and see if you can see people's status. If not, then check your internet connection. If you've enabled your active status but you cannot see any others, that's probably because your internet issues. You can disconnect and reconnect to a Wi-Fi network or switch to another one. Alternatively, you can also turn on your cellular data on your device. Next, try to restart the Messenger app. Restarting the Messenger app is also a simple way to fix any problems with this app. Simply swipe up and force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Further, go ahead and tap on the Messenger option and then tap on the Offload App option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that fixes your issue. And the final fix is to update your Facebook Messenger. So open App Store and search for Messenger. If Facebook Messenger is not showing active status, you can update the app to the latest version to fix any in-app bugs. After updating, launch the Messenger app and see if it shows someone's active status, and if not, then restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So this is how you can fix Messenger not showing active status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.